Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Power Automate Desktop is installed, and you're signed into the same Microsoft 365 account on both desktop and the Power Automate web. Once done, open the Power Automate portal and register the machine. Make sure the unattended robot connector is enabled. This is what allows sharing. Next, create a machine group and add that registered machine to it. These steps let you grant access to flows securely, so you can share without exposing credentials. You now share the flow. Open the desktop flow in the Power Automate web portal and click Share. Add the user, group, or service principal. Assign run-only access if they only need to trigger it, or co-owner if they must edit. Make sure to map credentials to shared connections. This preserves secure secrets and prevents personal accounts from being used. Also, restrict the flow to the correct environment and machine group, so only designated machines can execute the desktop automation. You finish by testing. Ask a recipient to trigger the shared desktop flow while you watch run history and logs in the portal. If it fails, check role assignments, connection mapping, and whether the target machine is in the correct machine group. Make sure the unattended robot service is running on the machine and that connection credentials are current. A quick troubleshooting step. Re-register the machine and refresh credentials. Often that clears authentication or machine binding issues, so the flow runs cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.